Today we're in Northport, Florida, looking at another beautiful home under 400K. This one, no CDD, no HOA. Let's go take a look at it. This one does have a lot of premium features, so I'm going to point those out as we go. 2-car garage. Check out this massive front door. It's like a commercial style door. It's pretty cool. Here we have this elegant, large tile. It's gonna be like 3-foot by 3-foot tiles. And vaulted ceilings. As you come in the home, you have your first bedroom or office with a nice deep closet and its own ensuite bath and shower. Now you'll notice we're missing the shower doors, the mirrors. Right in here to the left, we've got 2 more bedrooms and a full bath between them. Check out these cool closets. They're pretty much the same everywhere. They're pretty nice, heavy doors, French doors, and again, we need the organizers. It's a big, beautiful kitchen here, open, living and dining area. And over here, we have a beautiful pantry, which still needs the grates. Over here, we have the owner suite. Nice tray ceiling. Again, we need a shower door, a couple mirrors, and some California closet organizers would be nice. Down this long hallway here, we have our laundry room and closet. And again, the washer and dryer are not here, but we can negotiate one of those to be thrown into the deal. The backyard, let's take a look. And this has a very spacious backyard as well. All the way down to this canal. Lots of space. We're 1 mile south of Burnt Store Marina and technically what they consider Cape Coral, looking at brand new homes, 2,400 square foot for less than 400K with incentives. For more information, contact me to find out exactly what you can get these houses for. Come on, let's take a look. 3-car garage, beautiful French doors. Right inside the door here, you're gonna find the first bedroom and bath, guest bath. Right here we have a den, and you can see a lake right out the window. That's nice. This way we have the washer and dryer laundry room and a self-contained room with its own bathroom. Beautiful kitchen here. Dining area and living area. At the other end of the house here, we have the owner's suite and master bath. Out here, it appears we have about 20 feet to put in a pool or a screened out lanai. For more information or a personalized tour, contact me as I have about 6 of these houses available. Today we're here 1 mile south of Burnt Store, technically considered Cape Coral, looking at 2,400 square foot homes with 3-car garages for less than 400K. Let's go take a look at this one. One thing you'll notice right off the bat is this beautiful French doors. Off to the right here, we have a bedroom and a bathroom. Here we have an office / den. Off to the left here, we have a laundry room, access to your 3-car garage. And a bedroom with its own self-contained bath. Little ensuite. Big, beautiful kitchen. This island has to be at least 14 feet long. It has a dishwasher on this side as well. This is a great area for your dining table, and this is your living space. Here is the owner's suite with sliding glass doors out to your lanai. As well as walk-in closets, a giant walk-in shower. Let's take a look at what the backyard has to offer. It appears that there's plenty of room for a pool. For your own personalized tour, contact me, David, 361-815-3193. We're about 1 mile south of Burnt Store Marine, and we're technically in Cape Coral, looking at some 2,400 square foot homes with 3-car garages for under $400K with incentives. Contact me for more information on that. Come, let's take a look at it. Oh, nice stairs up to your French doors here. As we come in the door, you'll see the first bedroom here on the right and bath. Here we have a den for your office. This way we have the laundry room, access to the 3-car garage, and a self-contained bedroom with bath. Beautiful kitchen. One thing I can say about this home is it has a lot of beautiful natural light, the way it's positioned. Over here we have the owner's suite and master bath. This is the backyard, and there is definitely plenty of room here for a pool. It appears that we have about 30 feet, 25, 30 feet to the back property line for a screened-in lanai or a pool. And we have a lot of privacy as there's empty lots all around us. For more information on houses like this, contact me as I have 6 available. Today we're in South Gulf Cove, no HOA, no CDD, and we have a brand new, beautiful 3-car garage home. Let's take a look. Come with me. You can see how high the ceilings are here on the garage. Wait till you see the inside. Everything out here is pretty well built up so that you can get out of the flood zones. As you walk in, we have our living area with tray ceilings. To the right here, we have a dining area. And we have this really expansive island. All these appliances are pretty high-end. We have a dishwasher here in the island next to the sink. Over here, we have our washer and dryer. Nice top load and front load here with a nice sink. And then look at this garage. We have an awful lot of space up in the ceiling here for more storage. Really, really large. The ceilings themselves are gotta be 10 feet. This is an 8-foot door. Yeah, this is 10-foot ceilings. Here's one of the guest bedrooms here. That's got to be at least a 12 by 12. Here we have a full bath. Another bedroom with a half bath, which kind of plays into the whole idea that you may put a pool in. I'm gonna guess and say we can throw a pool behind this for around $80K if you go the full length of the house, because it is so large. Let's take a look at your backyard here. See, we have French doors off into the breakfast nook there. If you come out here, you can see there's steps to that half bath. And they're definitely gonna have to build your pool up a little bit higher. Here we have a door to the master. If you decide to go with a pool, otherwise, if you just want to put a screened out lanai for extra living space, totally doable. All hurricane impact windows and doors. Coming in the front doors to the left, we have an office or a den with beautiful picture windows. Over here we have the master suite. Again, we have these tall ceilings, beautiful panoramic view of the preserve behind you, walk-in closet, and then we have a full bath here. This is the master bath, dual sinks on either side, beautiful sunken tub and shower. And you can have all this for right around $380 plus closing costs.
Welcome to South Gulf Cove, where you can have this beautiful 3-car garage home for $384. This entryway is amazing and would be so fun to decorate for all of your holidays. As we enter in, we have tile throughout the home, recessed lighting, open living space, and quartz countertops within the kitchen. You have an eating area, or it could be a little den. There's so many possibilities with this home. Here we have the laundry room with a washer and dryer included, as well as a laundry sink. Plenty of storage, upper cabinets, and lots of space in this 3-car garage. As we walk through past the kitchen, we have a bedroom with a window and closet. The window open out of reserve. A full guest bath. And another bedroom with a half bath that would be perfect if you put in a swimming pool with a door going outside. The spacious home, which has almost 2,400 square feet. You see there's ample storage. A flex room that could be used as a den or office space with a beautiful view of your front yard with palm trees. And here is the owner's retreat with a huge walk-in closet, tray ceilings, and ample light. There's also a door that goes to the lanai. We have the owner's bathroom, double vanities, walk-in shower, and garden tub. This home is perfect for large families and for entertaining. contact me, Christy Griffin, at 361-815-7377 to make this home yours.
Today we're down in Burnt Store, not far from Punta Gorda. We have a 3-car garage home, no CDD, no HOA. Follow me. Beautiful French doors, vaulted ceilings. Look at this. Right here to the left, we have a bedroom and guest bathroom. Nice large picture windows and a closet. Tile throughout, no carpet. Here we have a den, which can double as a really beautiful office. This way we have access to the 3-car garage and washer and dryer, utility sink. Wow, this is spacious. We also have another door here. It's the air conditioning unit, all self-contained. Nice. Don't have to listen to that inside the house. This bedroom is completely self-contained with its own shower and toilet and vanity. Back this way, we have tray ceilings with a very spacious living area. And then, of course, a very large kitchen. And what an island. This thing is huge. Has a built-in dishwasher on this side as well. And this is your dining area. Nice. Pantry. We have sliders from the master going to the outdoor lanai. Seems to be enough room to maybe put a pool in back there. If not, definitely an extended screened out lanai. Ooh, here we have a walk-in shower, a his and her closet, and 2 sinks. His and her sinks. Nice. Wow. Give me a call if you want more information on this home for right around $400,000 with closing costs thrown in. I'm David. My number is 361-815-3193.